It'll soon be pancake day, so let me show you how I make my vegan pancakes. Step 1. Add the ingredients. 1 cup of soya milk, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, half a cup white flour, half a cup of wholemeal flour, pinch of sea salt, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, 1 teaspoon of sugar, half a banana. Step 2. Whizz until blended. Step 3. Cook the pancake 2 minutes each side, and I use this little tiny frying pan. I'll put a link below. Small frying pans seem to work better for this, and it's easier to toss them. Just heat up some coconut oil, another coconut oil, just heat it up. Have some blueberries ready to throw in.